everyone, Sean Ragen with Dutko Ragen Homes and Investments here. I'm standing outside our newest project in Falls Church. It's a 3-level Cape Cod with a couple additions on it. There's a lot of work that needs to be done here, but we are going to be completely reconfiguring a lot of the spaces and expanding it. Come check it out. I want to show you what we're starting with and what the plan is. Here we are in the foyer kitchen area. What the plan is going to be here, obviously we have the galley style layout. So we're going to start the kitchen on this side back here, and once we get past the window on this side, open up this completely so that there's a much more open floor plan coming through the galley kitchen, and it's going to extend into the addition there. Now that addition wraps around and goes out back, so what we'll see there is we'll have a bar overhang where you kind of look into the family room to kind of create that open space, an open concept that people are looking for just entertaining and family living. So here we are in one of the 2 original bedrooms on the main level. The previous owners did a pretty large addition off the back, so what we are going to do is use this space to create this as a primary suite on the main level with a walk-in closet and a large bathroom. We're going to retain the other original bedroom on the other side here as its own smaller bedroom, and then we'll upstairs create another primary suite. So we'll really have a primary suite on the main level for 8 people that want to age in place and not use stairs, and then a larger one upstairs to kind of have the bigger expansive vibe. Here we are in the upper level. Right now it's just one large kind of continuous room with a half bath over there. We are going to completely open this up. In here there is a chimney flue, a brick liner that goes all the way up through the roof, so we're going to completely demo that so we can open this up completely, get a much larger feel. And then on that side of the room, probably just past here, this is where the primary bathroom will start. And it's going to have a large shower, double vanity, and a water closet for the toilet. Here we are in the completely unfinished basement where we have big plans. We're going to be relocating the entire mechanicals, which are right here in the middle, all the way to the other wall, which will allow us to then create a family room as you walk down here, which is what you'll be greeted with. You will walk down the stairs, a nice big open family room for entertaining. This pole, this will be the wall here, which separates the family room to the 4th bedroom. We're going to be cutting out a full egress window where that small hopper window is right there to get the 4th bedroom. And then along the back wall over there, right next to the walkout, that's where we're going to be putting the 4th full bedroom. Completely transforming the space, giving buyers what they really want. Can't wait to see this project progress, and stay tuned for updates as we bring the finished product to you hopefully soon.